Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Yamaha Hs5 speakers. Firstly, position the monitors at the ear level in an equilateral triangle with your listening position. Place the tweeters roughly at ear height and keep the back of the speakers at least 5 to 6 inches from the wall to reduce bass reflection. Plug the included AC power cables into the back of each speaker and don't turn them on yet. Use balanced XLR or TRS cables to connect the audio interface outputs to the Hs5 inputs. On the back of the Hs5, you'll find level knob, set it to 0, room control, and high trim. Now turn on your audio interface or mixer, then turn on both Hs5 speakers using the switch on the back, and play some audio to test both channels and balance, and then you're done. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.